Hi, I'm Phil, Product Manager for DEWALT, introducing the industry's first battery-operated 4-inch extended cutoff tool, the DCG432X Atomic 20-volt max 4-inch extended cutoff tool. Purpose-built for demanding industrial environments, the DCG432X integrates enhanced performance, advanced safety, and flexibility to support professionals in metalworking and fabrication. The DCG432X is engineered to deliver exceptional cutting force, with comparable power to 0.9 horsepower pneumatic solutions. The tool's extended reach and streamlined profile enables operation in confined areas, with a 44% smaller gear case height where full-size grinders just won't fit. Take on demanding applications with 640 max watts out and 12,500 RPM no-load speed. The ergonomically designed paddle switch enables intuitive control and incorporates a lock-off function to reduce accidental startups. Designed with a 3/8-inch spindle, the tool accepts the most common 4-inch grinding accessories, and changing wheels is streamlined thanks to the integrated spindle lock, eliminating downtime and the need for extra wrenches. It features an 11-position guard that can be swiftly adjusted without the need for separate tools. This flexibility allows users to tailor guard placement for optimal safety and visibility, whether performing straight cuts, angled work, or operations in restricted spaces. Also control the direction of sparks with forward and reverse functionality. Seamlessly switch directions with the forward and reverse feature at the back of the tool. Safety is essential to the DCG432X's design. The tool's electronic brake brings the wheel to a complete stop within seconds after the trigger is disengaged, helping to prevent unintended contact. It's additionally equipped with DEWALT's anti-rotation system to maximize control. The feature quickly stops the wheel when a pinch, stall, or bind-up event is sensed, reducing reactionary torque. To resume operation, simply reset the paddle. This tool is also ready for use at height, with a bare and kitted unit available as lanyard-ready compatible. It is also DEWALT Tool Connect chip-ready, the Atomic 20-volt max 4-inch extended cutoff tool, where size meets power.